this thing, just a little Lexus 2J. I'm just talking shit.
So it should be at like 12 pounds right now.
It's gonna pop right now, watch. I think it was slipping the clutch, dude.
Oh, it's a lot stronger.
I think it actually fucking slipped the clutch at 12 pounds.
It's a lot stronger, dude. Sounds legit. Yeah, right there. What was that at the third gear, huh?
The F4? Oh, what was that? Was the clutch.
That was the clutch, huh?
Fucking clutch. Jesus. Yeah, so at 16 pounds, it wasn't even doing that. It wasn't a slipping clutch. So.
No.
It obviously has more power, like for sure. Spine exhaust, drag it over the street. Fucking rips now.
It look like some bitches when it doesn't start, huh?
Yeah.
Unless you go. There you go.
At 12 pounds, the AFR looking pretty good. It smoked the clutch because it's actually making power now. So now I'm going to turn it up even more. I don't know why am I doing this. So might be close to 14 pounds. Let's see what this thing does. I'm going to send a rod out of the hood. That's the goal here.
Poor car.
It's overheating a little bit. I think we should get back. Alright, so I lost oil pressure. It's like the light's coming on when it's at an idle mode. When I rev it up, the pressure comes back. It does have oil. I thought maybe it was low in oil. So I don't know what the problem is. If I just screwed up the bottom end, or maybe the oil pump, or possibly the sending unit. Most likely, I think I messed up the oil pump. But I don't really know. I think this motor's done for. I think it was 14 pounds of boost. I ended up smoking the clutch and losing oil pressure. Jesus, poor freaking engine. That was an awesome burnout though. Oil pressure light's solid now.